Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you around Coefficient's Podio connector. So once you've installed Coefficient, open up Extensions, scroll down to Coefficient, and launch in the sidebar. Then from here, you'll select Import From, and next to Connected Sources, select this little blue add, and we'll scroll until we see Podio. Here we'll select Connect, select Authorize. Once the app is authorized, you can start your first import by selecting Start from Scratch, which is going to open the import preview. And then here you'll see a list of all of the objects and reports you can choose from. And for this example, I'm going to start with Get Organizations. I'll select Preview. And then I'm going to scroll over until I see Org ID. There it is. Copy that, and then go back to Request. And I'm actually going to get my tasks. And here I'm going to copy the ID, select Preview, and then I'm actually going to curate my own import. So here I'll select Description and Text and Due Date and the group and Space ID, Status, and Task ID. And then from here you can also move your columns so that they refresh in the same order that you've selected here, and then select Import. To keep this data up to date, I'm going to say yes to having it refresh daily at 9 a.m. And now that I've shown you how to get your Podio data directly in your spreadsheet and always have it update to stay fresh, I hope you go and explore our Podio connector and start getting your own data live in your spreadsheet. And from there, the next step is really up to you. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.